Hello friends, I'm Dr. Jignesh Mewada. Today I'm going to show you the laboratories of the Mechatronics department. This is our BOSS Rexroth Center of Excellence. The BOSS Excellence Center has one of the state-of-the-art facility that we call the hydraulics and the pneumatic system, where the students are able to learn the applications of the pneumatics and the hydraulic system in the industry. In order to monitor and control the processes in the industry, basically we need the PLC. The programmable logic controller is one of the best part in mechatronics engineering. This is our robotic lab, and you can see that the one M-Tab robot is there. It's a 6 degree of freedom robot. In the laboratory, we are also running the one club that we call as a E-Yantra club in the association with the IIT Mumbai, where you can see the students are able to learn the diversified applications of the robot. Mechatronics department has also facility to provide the placement and entrepreneurship course. This is our Japan India Institute for Manufacturing facility in the collaboration with the Maruti Suzuki, where the students of Mechatronics Engineering department are able to learn the fundamental concept of assembly and the automation. Today's industry demands also the use of the additive manufacturing system. So we have a very good state-of-the-art center of excellence in the collaboration with the strategy system. With the help of the 3D printer system, the students are able to understand the customized mass production in the industry. For more information on the mechatronics engineering and their future scope, you can always contact me on the following number, which is given in the description, as well as you can also visit our website.